sa Yesland. Kasi, pang ilang sisling na natin to? 100 since 2016. Yesland family, let's begin this special event. Enjoy from our sisling today. Maraming salamat and enjoy, guys.
Darating yung 1,000 sisling. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi po, may sistema tayo. Ang program ng Yesland is designed to outlive every one of us.
So that's one of the reasons why being innovative is in our core value, constant and never-ending improvement. And
sabi nga, family is our first ministry. We should value and serve them. I am forever grateful kasi Yesland became my second home.
If we will treat our company as our own business, mamahalin mo to eh. Dadalhin mo yung kanyang core values. Ang company na God-centered, ang company na innovative, ang company na family-oriented, asahan mo yan ay trustworthy.
Magiging tayo without each and every one. Your presence here, sabi ni Miss Nikki, may reason. Okay? May reason si Lord bakit nandito kayo. Late man or hindi. Nanalo man ng raffle o hindi. No. And I hope as we progress 101, 102, hanggang sa 200. So I hope maging 62, 72 will still be here.